Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through something I'm really excited about, a completely automated Excel calculator for the ultimate 4 ETF portfolio strategy we've been talking about. This template does all the math for you: allocation percentages, dollar amounts, even 20-year projections. And the best part? You just input 3 numbers and everything updates automatically. Let me show you. Let's start with the Portfolio Builder sheet. This is where the magic happens. You see here, we have 3 simple inputs, and I mean simple. First, risk tolerance. Click here in cell D4. You can choose conservative, moderate, or high growth. Watch what happens when I change this. See how all the percentages automatically update? That's the power of automation. The formulas in column G are doing all the work. Second, your initial investment. Let's say you have $10,000 to start. Type it here in F4. Third, your monthly contribution, maybe $500 or $1,000. Enter it here in H4. And boom, look at columns H and I. They've automatically calculated exactly how much to invest in each ETF, both for your initial lump sum and your monthly contributions. Let me explain what each ETF does. 1. VGS, your Global Growth Engine 2. VAS, for Aussie dividends and franking credits 3. WXDM, the Small Cap Growth Booster 4. VBND, your stability anchor. And at the bottom, see these totals? They automatically check that everything adds up to 100% and matches your total investment amount. That's your quality control built right in. Now, let's flip to the growth projection sheet. This is where it gets really exciting. Look at the assumed returns here. These are conservative estimates based on historical averages. But here's the cool part. You can change these. Want to be more optimistic about global stocks? Change 10% to 12%. More conservative about bonds? Change 4% to 3%. The entire projection updates. Look at this 20-year projection. Starting with your $10,000 initial investment, adding $1,000 every month, watch how it grows. Year 0, $10,000. Year 5, over $90,000. Year 10, over $220,000. Year 20, nearly $800,000. And notice columns D and E. They show you exactly how much came from your contributions versus market growth. This is the power of compound interest visualized. Now, here's what makes this template so powerful for every viewer. 1. Change your risk tolerance. Young and aggressive, choose high growth. Nearing retirement, choose conservative. The allocations adjust automatically. 2. Change your investment amounts. Got a bonus? Increase your initial investment. Get a raise. Increase your monthly contribution. Everything recalculates instantly. 3. Want different ETFs? No problem. Just change the ASX codes in column E. The calculations still work. 4. Want different allocations? You can manually override the percentages in column G if you want a custom mix. So, how do you actually use this? 1. Download the template from the link below. 2. Input your numbers. 3. Set up automatic investments with your broker using the monthly amounts shown here. 4. Check back once a year to rebalance. 5. Watch your wealth grow. The automation here means you don't need to be a math whiz or a spreadsheet expert. The template does the heavy lifting. You just need the discipline to invest consistently.